Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Marianne with Serious Styles. Today I will be doing a glueless wig. Thank you for stopping by. I post hair, makeup, and beauty videos. So please make sure you like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below and support me. So I will be using one of my old wigs, just revamping it. This is a 24-inch water wave 5x5 wig. I usually start by spraying the wig with water because I love to brush my curly or wavy hairs wet instead of dry. I'm going in with a little bit of foundation. This is a powder foundation closer to my skin tone, actually a little darker than my skin tone. Right now I'm going in to just adjust the hair straps in the back to help it fit my hair. Now that I've adjusted the hair straps, I'm going in with the wig. This is just a really quick glueless wig method for me. So I'm not wearing a cap because I want this process to be very straightforward, easy, simple, because I'm heading out the door. So I'm just adding some foam. This is a styling foam to help in flattening that hairline. I did tie it with a band just to help in the flattening process. I took out the band, but I noticed that I wanted it a little flatter, so I'm just gonna brush the hair and then proceed to the next part. And right now I'm just going ahead to use some leave-in conditioner, and this is the Cream of Nature 7-in-1 leave-in conditioner. Right now is my favorite one to use on my water wave hairs because it does give a beautiful moisture to the hair and also a beautiful shine, so the hair doesn't look dull throughout the day. And it's also heavy. So I'm just going in with my hot comb, trying to see how flat I can get that hair. But as you can see, it's not really working well, and the steam of the hot comb is like really hot. So I'm just gonna take a minute to just put some foundation that matches my skin tone to define my hairline there. And then I'm just going in with lace. I'm just going in with the hair tint stick. This is going to help to hide all the parts that, or tint all the parts that were overly bleached and help to define the part. So right now I'm going in with some hair wax because I want to aid in the smoothing process of that part area. I feel like I'm the worst at styling my hair on my head. Like, I'm so good with styling it on the mannequin head and putting it on my head, but so to facilitate that process, I'm just going back in with the hairband to help lay it flatter. And that's good. I think I'm okay with where it's at now. I'm just going to use my hands to flatten it down. And remember, this is just a quick method to be out the door with your glueless wig. It could be an old wig. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.